valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, that is called VSEPR theory. Already we learned the Lewis concept. The Lewis concept unable to explain the shape of the molecule. So this theory we can determine the shape of the molecule, that is the larger molecule on the covalent molecules like this. We can predict the shape of the molecules. Here the main postulates of the VSPR theory is the shape of a molecule depends upon the number of valence shell electron pairs around the central atom. Either it could be a bonded or the non-bonded atom. Then pairs of electrons in a valence shell repel one another since their electron clouds are negatively charged. Then the third postulate is the electron pair tend to occupy such position in a space that minimize repulsion and thus maximize distance between them. So minimum repulsion will be there, means minimum repulsion, maximum distance. Then the multiple bond is treated as a single electron pair, and the 2 or 3 electron pairs are multiple bonds. There is single electron pair, that's a single bond. 2 or 3, that means there is a double bond or triple bond. This for double bond and this for triple bond, like this. Then where the two or more resonance structure can represent a molecule, the VSPR model applicable to any such a structure. Like the repulsive interaction of electrons pair decreases in the order like this. Lone pair is greater than lone pair, bond pair is greater than bond pair repulsion. So this LP indicates lone pair is greater than lone pair, then bond pair. Here this VSEPR model, by explaining the important difference between the lone pair and the bonding pairs of electron. While the lone pairs are localized on the central atom, each bonded pair is shared between the two atoms. There is lone pair electrons in the molecule occupies more space. So this occupies more space. So compared to the bonding pair is less space. See, the greater the repulsion between the lone pairs of electron to compare to the lone pair bond pair and bond pair repulsion. So the repulsion effect, the result in the deviation from idealized shape and attraction in bond angles in molecule. So for the prediction of the geometrical shape of a molecule with the help of the VSEPR theory, it is convenient to divide the molecules to two categories. First is molecules in which the central metal atom, central atom has no lone pair of electron. The second one is molecules which have the central atom one or more lone pair electrons. That is the more electron, that is the lone pairs electron. Here, see here, the arrangement of electron pair about the central metal atom of A, this is A, that means without any lone pairs, and the geometrical arrangements of the molecule and ion type is called AB type. See the first here the number of electron pairs is 2. Then the arrangements of the electron pairs like this A, like this this is electron pair. The molecule shape is linear. So the geometrical arrangements is AB type. So this is AB. And the example is beryllium chloride and the mercury chloride. Then the number of electron pair is 3. Here the molecular arrangements of the electron pair like this. So here the angle of the degree is 120, here this 180. This shape is trigonal planar and the molecule type is AB. A number of B atom is 3. So that AB 3. Here AB 2. Generally this format is AB and this specially this linear is AB2 and the trigonal planar is AB3 and number of electron pair is 4. So here the tetrahedral arrangements, that is the electron pair arrangement is tetrahedral, then molecular shape also tetrahedral, so that the angle of the degree is 109.5 degree and the arrangements, the geometrical shape like this. Then the this type is AB4. So my example is methane and ammonium ion. Then number of electron pair is 5. Then the arrangements of electron pair like this. So here the angle is, this is 90 degree and this is 120 degree. This angle is 120 and this is 90 degree. Then the geometrical shape like this. The geometrical shape is trigonal bipyramidal and the arrangement is AB5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So AB5. Here central atom is here. Then number of electron pair is 6. That is arrangements of electron pairs like this. The angle is 90 degree above and the below. That's mean plane, and the plane above 90 degree and below is 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree here. Then the arrangements, the geometrical shape like this. This is called octahedral structure. Then the formula is AB6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So central atom is A and B is 6. AB6. Example is SF6. Okay, here the geometrical molecules with the central atom has no lone pairs of electrons. Okay, with 1 or 2 or more lone pair of electrons also we can see here. Look at this shape of some simple molecules or ion with the central ions having 1 or more lone pair of electron. Look at this. The first one is this type AB2L. This L indicates lone pair of electron. Here the number of bonded pair is 2, then number of lone pair is 1. Then arrangements of electron pair like this AB1 lone pair of here. So this is trigonal planar. The shape is bent and example is SO2 and O3, ozone molecule. Yes. Next is AB3L, that is type molecular type. Number of bond pair is 3, then the number of lone pair is 1. Look at this, bond pair is B, this 3 and lone pair is 1. So this is the tetrahedral arrangements, is the tetrahedral arrangements. Then the shape of the molecule is trigonal pyramidal, example ammonia. Then type of the molecule AB2L2, number of bond pair is 2 and the number of lone pair also 2. So this arrangements is also tetrahedral arrangements. The lone pair is 2 and the bonded pair is 2. Shape of the molecule is bent and example is H2O. Then the type of the molecule AB4L, that is 1 lone pair. Number of bond pair is 4 and the lone pair is 1. Look at this arrangement. The arrangement is trigonal pyramidal. Bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal. Then this having a seesaw shape and example is SF4, sulfur tetrafluoride. Then AB3L2, the number of bond pair is 3 and the number of lone pair is 2. So here the arrangements of the electron pair, trigonal, bipyramidal, the shape of the molecule is T shape. Example ClF5. Then AB5L. The number of bond pair is 5 and the lone pair is 1. So the molecule arrangement since the octahedral, shape of the molecule is square pyramidal. Example BrF5. Then AB4L2, number of bonded pair is 4 and the number of lone pair is 2. The arrangements of the electron pair is like this, and this is also in arrangements in octahedral shape. So shape is square planar. Example is xenon tetrafluoride. See the shape of the molecules containing bond pair and the lone pair. Why this reason like this? See, the molecule type is AB2L2 means the number of bonding pair is 4 and the number of lone pair is 1. The arrangements of electron like this. So the shape is bent, and the reason for the shape is that theoretically the shape should have been the triangular planar, but actually it is found to be bent. Look this, or V shaped. So the reason being the lone pair and the bond pair repulsion is much more as compared to the bond pair repulsion. So the angle is reduced to 119.5 degree from 120 degree. Then next is a AB3L2, the number of bonding pair is 3, number of lone pair is 1. Here the arrangement is the shape of the molecule is trigonal pyramidal like this. See, look at there been a bond pair in the place of lone pair of the shape would have been the tetrahedral, but one lone pair of this present at due to the repulsion between the lone pair bond pair, that is the lone pair bond pair which is more than the bond pair repulsion. So the angle between the bond pairs is reduced to 107 degree from 109.5 degree. Then AB2 L2, the number of bonding pair is 2 and the number of lone pair is 2. Here the shape is bent, but the shape should have been tetrahedral if there were all bond pair but 2 lone pair are present, show that the shape is distorted tetrahedral angular. The reason is lone pair repulsion is more than the lone pair bond pair repulsion, which is more than the bond pair repulsion. So the angle is reduced to 104 degree, 104.5 degree from 109.5 degree. Okay. Then AB 4 and L, the number of bonding pair is 4 and the number of lone pair is 1. Here the seesaw structure, that is here look at this present of this axial position. So there are 3 lone pair bond pair repulsion at 90 degree. Look at this here the lone pair is an equatorial position. This is lone pair is a equatorial position, and there are 2 lone pair and the bond pair repulsion. Hence the arrangement is look at this, the B is more stable. This is more stable. The shape is described in the distorted tetrahedron, a folded square or a seesaw. Then look at here, molecular type is AB3L2, number of bonding pair is 2 and the number of lone pair is also 2. Here the shape is T shape. The arrangements of electron like this. Here the reason is lone pairs are at the equatorial position, so there are less lone pair bond pair repulsion compared to others in which the lone pairs are at axial position. Okay, so the structure this is the most stable, that is the T shaped. Okay,